Here's how to add and remove widgets in the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, let's go to the settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. Tap on the lock screen on the left side. And now over here, once it loads up, you should have Add Widgets field over here. So we can tap on it in order to start adding widgets. So here we can find apps that are compatible with the lock screen widgets. And let's say we're gonna choose battery over here, and I'm gonna choose the battery status over here. Then we can also go, let's say, to the camera. We can choose a custom camera. We can go to device care and use different widgets over here. We can also remove widgets by simply tapping on them. We can use 2 by 1 as long as we have enough space. We can use up to 4 slots, and some widgets occupy 2 slots, as you can see over here. We can also just simply choose screen time instead. There we go. I believe we can also switch positions, yeah, so we can hold and drag to a different position if needed, and that's pretty much it. Once you are done, simply press done over here in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!